Hello, viewers, and welcome to Home Reviews. Are you looking for the top 5 best clothes dryers of 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best clothes dryers of 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Robson 110V Portable Clothes Dryer is the perfect solution for apartment living or any space-conscious home. Designed with convenience and efficiency in mind, this high-end laundry appliance combines advanced functionality with a sleek, modern design. Its front-load tumble dryer features a durable stainless steel tub that ensures gentle yet thorough drying for all types of fabrics, from delicate garments to heavy towels. Operating the dryer is effortless thanks to the intuitive control knob, which allows you to select your desired drying mode with ease. Its compact size makes it ideal for apartments, dorms, RVs, or any home where space is limited, without sacrificing performance. Despite its small footprint, it delivers powerful drying results, helping to reduce wrinkles and speed up your laundry routine. Safety and durability are at the forefront of the design, with a reliable 110V power system and premium materials that stand up to everyday use. Whether you're dealing with quick load of clothes or weekly laundry, the Robson Portable Clothes Dryer offers a practical, stylish, and high-performance solution that fits seamlessly into your home lifestyle. Number 2. The BLACK+DECKER BCD37 Compact Dryer is designed for convenience, efficiency, and compact living spaces. Perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or small households, this versatile dryer plugs into a standard wall outlet, eliminating the need for specialized electrical installation. Its sleek white finish complements any laundry area while maintaining a low-profile design that fits effortlessly in tight spaces. With a 13.2 pounds load capacity, the BCD37 can handle everyday laundry needs, from shirts and blouses to towels and small bedding. It features 4 drying modes, allowing you to customize settings for different fabrics, ensuring your clothes come out perfectly dry without damage. The intuitive control panel makes operation simple, even for quick, last-minute drying. Energy efficient yet powerful, this compact dryer uses advanced airflow technology to speed up drying times while maintaining gentle care for delicate fabrics. Its small footprint doesn't compromise performance, making it a smart solution for households where space is at a premium. Whether you need a dependable second dryer, a portable solution for seasonal laundry, or a primary dryer for small spaces, the BLACK+DECKER BCD37 delivers practicality, performance, and peace of mind in a compact, stylish package. Number 3. The FeelFun 3.5 Cu.Ft Portable Clothes Dryer is a perfect solution for fast, efficient drying in any space. With a powerful 1500W motor and a spacious 3.5 cubic foot capacity, this compact dryer easily handles everyday laundry, from delicate fabrics to heavy towels. Its stainless steel drum ensures durability and gentle care for your clothes, preventing wear and tear while providing thorough drying. Designed with convenience in mind, the front-loading tumble system allows easy loading and unloading, making laundry day effortless. The LCD touch control panel offers intuitive operation, allowing you to select from multiple drying modes and temperature settings tailored to different fabrics. Safety features like overheat protection give peace of mind while ensuring consistent performance. Its compact, portable design makes it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or any home with limited space. Lightweight yet robust, it can be easily moved or stored when not in use. Whether you're drying daily wear, delicate items, or seasonal clothing, the FeelFun Portable Clothes Dryer delivers quick, energy-efficient results without sacrificing fabric quality. Upgrade your laundry routine with this sleek, modern, and reliable drying unit. Number 4. The UME 1.5 Cu.Ft Portable Dryer *** is a perfect solution for quick and efficient drying of small laundry loads. With a 5.5 pounds clothes capacity, this compact dryer is ideal for apartments, dorms, RVs, and homes with limited space. Despite its portable size, it offers 4 versatile drying programs: normal, quick, delicate, and heavy, so your clothes are always treated with care. Featuring a sleek mirror finish, the dryer not only performs efficiently, but also adds a modern touch to any space. The intuitive LCD touch panel makes selecting the right settings effortless, giving you full control over drying time and temperature. Its 850W powerful yet energy-efficient motor ensures faster drying without consuming excessive electricity. This portable clothes dryer is lightweight and easy to move, making it perfect for seasonal laundry, small households, or travel. Its quiet operation means you can run it anytime without disturbance, whether you need to dry delicate fabrics or heavy garments. The UME portable dryer delivers consistent results while saving space and energy. Upgrade your laundry routine with convenience, style, and efficiency all in one compact appliance. Number 5. The Kenmore 8.0 cubic feet front load gas dryer in sleek metallic silver combines advanced technology with convenience to simplify your laundry routine. Its generous 8.0 cubic foot capacity easily handles large loads, making it ideal for families or anyone with heavy laundry needs. Equipped with Wrinkle guard with Accela steam, this dryer helps reduce wrinkles, static, and odors, keeping clothes looking fresh and ready to wear straight from the dryer. The smart sensor drying technology intelligently adjusts drying times and heat levels, preventing over-drying and protecting your fabrics. With a clear LED display, selecting cycles and monitoring progress is simple and intuitive. From delicate garments to heavy bedding, this dryer offers versatile settings to meet all your laundry demands. Beyond performance, its energy-efficient design ensures reliable drying while helping manage utility costs. The metallic silver finish adds a modern touch to any laundry space, blending seamlessly with other appliances. With the Kenmore front load gas dryer, you gain more than just clean, dry clothes. You get peace of mind, convenience, and the confidence that your laundry is handled with care. Upgrade your laundry experience with Kenmore's innovative drying solutions today.